Hello and welcome to another video for mindful eating. Good morning. Today I'll be showing you about here's how I do my smoothie, my breakfast smoothie. Now in here I'll just quickly show you because I've just started mixing it. I've added some blueberries in here. I've added some honey. I've added some oats. I've added some cranberries as well, and I've added some protein mix. I'll just show you the blitzing again. What we're going to do, we're going to quickly add this to the glass I've had here. Now you can add, if you'd like, oats on top. You can even add more fruits to this as well. Now I know it's quite cold at the minute and you're thinking, oh, how can I have this now? Now these things are very good to boost your energy now and again. It was very cold last week in London, and I'm just having this to boost my energy levels. I'm just going to pour this into the glass like this, and as you can see, it's about a glass enough for one person. Now you can add more stuff to it if you like. You can add more oats to it if you like. And this is very good for a mid-morning snack. This will take you through roughly into the lunchtime period. And then obviously, like I said, you can add loads of stuff to it. You can add probably some cashew nuts. You can add some more fruits in it. Let's come off that. Because the mixture is not thick, but I would say in the middle of it. It's probably maybe about in the middle thickness of it. So this is our mixture just here. So basically, with the protein mix that I've had, I think there's a little bit of sugar added to it. If there's added sugar to it already, you would not have to add sugar. I added some honey to the mixture as well. So that's it. That's the video for today. This is how I do my smoothie in the morning. So I hope this video was of interest to somebody today. I hope we're all keeping warm and staying healthy. Make sure that you boost your immune system by taking a lot of vitamin C and vitamin D products. Drink hot drinks. I've noticed in this winter period that I'm quite dehydrated, in the sense that I'm not craving a lot of hot drinks. I'm craving a lot of cold drinks, a lot of water. I've been drinking a lot of water recently, so make sure that your hydrate levels are up. Drink a lot of orange juice if you can, a lot of juices, just to keep your body level. Well, for me, I'm experiencing a bit of dehydration. So that's it. This is here I do my smoothie. I hope this video was of interest to somebody today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.